I may be biased by saying that I believe XRP is going to be worth so much. And making these videos, people may think, oh, you want XRP to run. So that's why you're talking about it the way that you do. Well, obviously, I want XRP to run. But the reason why I invested into it was not because I'm going to make a YouTube video about it and expect, 14 billion people to go ahead and buy it or something. No, that's not the case. I believed in XRP before I started making videos about it. I had a lot of information that came across my desk. If some of you, or actually a lot of you, may know that I was not always the biggest fan of XRP. I had other people talk me out of buying that position. Even though it seemed like something that I would be all in for and all in on, it just didn't seem right to me because people brought up the same things. XRP's in a lawsuit. Why would you invest into something that's in litigation? And it's going to be worth nothing because of the SEC fighting it. And every time the SEC fights something, they end up collapsing or making it disappear. And that wasn't what I wanted, right? I didn't want to invest a lot of money into something that was going to be just, I don't know, that was going to disappear in a matter of a couple of years. I wanted something that was going to be the best cryptocurrency in the market. And not talking about things that are popular, not talking about just the most invested play, and not talking about the biggest play in the market or the biggest cryptocurrency in the market for some odd reason, which was Bitcoin. I wanted to invest into something that I understood had so much promise, but then you also had some doubt that's out there. And while there is many things or are many things on the market that will create that doubt, nothing really created that doubt more than XRP, right? You had the government that was fighting it. Why were they fighting it? And that's what made it interesting for me. I started to look into it, or somebody told me, they were like, hey, this is my take on XRP. And I'm always open to hearing people's take. So when I heard that take, I was like, okay, let me look into it more and see if it makes sense for me. And everything that I kept reading, everything that I watched, even the things that talked about something else in relation to XRP, I would just be like, this only makes sense. Do you know what I mean? Like it makes sense for me to be a part of, slowly implement my way into it, or push my way into XRP and have more and more. Starting with 1,000, jumping to 3,000, jumping to 5,000, then to 10,000, then to 20, then to 40, then to 50, then to 100 and 200 plus, like I have now, because of everything that I kept seeing and reading and believing in. It just spoke to me, right? So for the people that are on the other side that will talk down on it and say XRP is not going to be this because of these numbers here, because of this information here, that doesn't make sense to me at all, right? Because as I look into it, I'm like, why are you counting out something that has the most connections, that has been fought the most, that has already reached levels that people said couldn't reach? It's just honestly very interesting to me. So I'm going to talk about XRP. I'm going to talk about the fact that y'all are wrong about where XRP is going, because I get many messages like this and many tweets that I see that are out here talking about this play that way. So if you guys could hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more of these videos. Also, if you could check out the video sponsor FortisX, please do so. The link will be in the chat. Link will be in the description for that. All you have to do is go down there, click the link, research it yourself, and see if you like it. But FortisX keeps your holdings working for you, right? You have liquidity pools, you have managed staking that you can invest into. I have an XRP liquidity pool that I'm invested into, and I've already gained over 400 XRP with the amount that I'm holding. You have no lockups. You can withdraw anytime that you want to, and they even have a calculator down here if you wanted to break it down and see how much you would be able to gain over a year with investing, right? If you just wanted to invest 10,000 or a little bit under it, right? You can gain an extra $2,000 in XRP, and this is just at the current value. Imagine the increased value as you go forward. So feel free to check out my link down below for FortisX. It will be in the description. But XRP currently stands at $1.07. It is down slightly by 0.5%. at a $67 billion market cap and seeing about $1 billion worth of volume, 948 million to be specific. Now there's 62.5 billion coins in circulation and 99.9 billion coins in total supply. If we look at the last year, the highest point we saw was about that $3.60 mark, $3 50-cent mark that we saw as a newer high. And market cap wise, these are the highest points, reaching a $200 billion market cap, places that a lot of people did not believe that this can get to, right? Speaking of a person that doesn't believe that this can get to, these are the type of messages and tweets and things that I see all across the internet and in my comment section, in my chats. I notice a lot of people discussing XRP. They often throw around a price target like $10, $50, or $100, yet very few have actually crunched the numbers. Most people that have invested in XRP have found someone to either crunch the numbers or have crunched the numbers themselves. Although XRP is currently trading slightly above $1, its market cap is approaching or already approaching $100 billion. This means it's no longer the kind of small cap cryptocurrency capable of delivering massive gains. First issue there, it hasn't been a small cap cryptocurrency capable of producing massive gains for a very, very long time. Even when it was at a $30 billion market cap, that is not something where you're like, oh, this is at a $1 million market cap. It can grow to 100 million and I see 100x. It can grow to $1 billion and see a 10,000x or whatever the case may be. So you start to look at this play as compared to a meme coin, and that's not necessarily the case. It has the popularity of that, but it can still produce massive gains just because it's at a $100 billion market cap or close to it. Doesn't mean that it can't produce massive gains with what it's going to be used for and what it's going to be worth. Because $100 billion, there are many people that said $100 billion won't even happen for XRP. Well, it got to $100 billion. Then they said, you better sell. Well, it got to $150 billion. And they were like, well, this is just a fluke. It's not going to go any higher. It got to a $200 billion market cap. And now those people have shut up at that point. But since it has come back to a 80, 60, right, 70, whatever the case may be, $1 billion market cap, many people have opened their mouths again and said, it's not going to get to $100 billion. It's not going to get to a $200 billion. A $100 billion market cap for what XRP is going to be, we can see upwards of a $6 to $10 trillion market cap for what XRP could potentially be. 300 plus bank partnerships for Ripple itself, right? The XRPL is within discussions of honestly being the most used cryptocurrency, the most used ledger out there, right? I think people have their wires crossed because they want to talk about something negative. They want to say that XRP is just not going to be it, and you need to go to this play. However, there's so many use cases that's out there, and it's going to deliver those massive gains that we in the XRP community truly believe can happen and will happen. So people that say things like that are wrong, right? XRP will get to a level of $10, $50, $100, and maybe even surpass the $100 level, depending on the things that do happen. But massive gains, it's definitely going to give us that. A top tier cryptocurrency that we can invest a lot of money into and gain a lot with. That's what XRP is. Not necessarily just for the investment side of it, but also for a massive use side of it. That's what I'm excited about. So you can question it all you want. You can put the comments down there all you want. It doesn't change my portfolio. Actually, scratch that. It does change my portfolio. It makes me want to add more. It makes me want to obtain more. And this is why I currently have XRP in FortisX gaining me 20% APY, variable APY, gaining an extra hundreds of XRP in the end, that I can sit there forever and be a bigger part of my long-term portfolio. So I'm excited for it. But you let me know what you think. Do you think XRP has a, like, we should basically look at it and go, yeah, this is going to be worth $100 in the near future? Or should we say, nah, it's lucky if it's worth $3 again? Let me know your opinion down below. It's not going to change my mindset, and I know what I'm looking for, my exit plan, my use case. I know what I'm looking for, but I'm always interested to hear what you got to say. So hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more of these videos, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya.